Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Lopez Pagan, and I will be presenting about a proposal for a research project that I will work very soon, and it is about electric vehicles and how they can be made more affordable. My research question is very simple, and it is how can car manufacturers make electric vehicles more accessible to the general public? This is very important for the fact that electric vehicles do not produce carbon emissions. On the other hand, gasoline-powered vehicles do produce carbon emissions to the atmosphere. In fact, the transportation sector is the highest emitting sector of carbon emissions in the United States alone. The main issue surrounding this subject is that electric vehicles are expensive. Even the most affordable models at the moment are priced way above newer gasoline vehicles. This is for the reason that electric vehicle batteries are expensive to manufacture. These batteries also need sensors and software to monitor the charge, temperatures, and the level of voltage they output. Another factor is that the metals that they use to create these batteries are expensive as well. Lastly, since electric vehicles are not everywhere, there is a limited selection of repairability, making it even more expensive to repair. Most of the times, the same car manufacturers include warranties so that you can take it to them. But in terms of reachability, you will have to travel very far if you do not live to one of those dealerships nearby. Some of the information I will need to include is how many resources are used to manufacture lithium-ion batteries. How will they get less expensive in the future? And the recent studies done by professionals in the field. It would also be very essential to include the projections of the price of electric vehicles in the near future. This research is meant for the general population and some skeptics of electrical vehicles. I want to inform them about electric vehicles so in the future they consider switching from gasoline vehicles. One of the biggest challenges I will face is persuading people from the audience who will ask questions about charging stations. And this is a very complicated subject right now since there aren't many companies investing in this at the moment. Lastly, I will compare the savings people can have in the long run to possibly attract more people from the general population. To conclude, there are some potential pitfalls in this research. One being deciding what type of information I will include in the research, since this is the first time I am researching electric vehicles. It will also be tedious to explain the complexity of lithium-ion batteries to the general public, since most people are not familiar with the subject. Lastly, what is going to happen with the gasoline-powered cars that will be off the road? Thank you for watching my presentation. This is Carlos Lopez Pagan, and I hope you have a good day.